Well, Dora, I've had one motto which I've always lived by. Dignity. Always dignity. This was instilled in me by Mom and Dad from the very beginning. They sent me to the finest schools, including dancing school. That's where I first met Cosmo. And with him, I used to perform for all of Mom and Dad's society friends. They used to make such a fuss over me. Then, if I was very good, I was allowed to accompany Mom and Dad to the theater. They brought me up on Shaw, Moliere, the finest of the classics. To this was added rigorous musical training at the Conservatory of Fine Arts. Then we rounded out our apprenticeship at the most exclusive Dramatics Academy. And in all time, the motto remained dignity. Always dignity. In a few years, Cosmo and I were ready to embark on a dance concert tour. We played the finest symphonic halls in the country.
Fit as a fiddle, ready for love. I can jump over the moon up above. Fit as a fiddle and ready for love. Haven't a worry, haven't a care. Feel like a feather that floats on air. Fit as a fiddle and ready for love. Soon the church bells will be ringing, and I'll march with ma and pa. How the church bells will be ringing, with a hey nonny nonny and a ha-cha-cha. I did a riddle, my baby's okay. Ask me a riddle, what does she say? Fit as a fiddle and ready for love.
Audiences everywhere adored us. Finally, we decided to come to sunny California. We were stranded. We were staying here, resting up when the offers from the movie studio started pouring in. We sorted them out and decided to favor monumental pictures.
Okay, Lena, you hate him. You're resisting him. Keep that mood music going. Okay, now, Phil, you come in. Keep on grinding. Now you see her, Phil. That's it. Now here's the bit, Bert, where you get it on the jaw. No, that wasn't right, Bert. You were supposed to go head over heels over the bar and crash into the glasses. Try it again, okay, Bert? Bert! Oh, that's swell, just swell. Take him away, fellas. You'll be all right, Bert. We've lost more darn stuntmen on this pictures. It'll take hours to get a new one over from Central Casting.
Hey, Mr. Dexter, I think I can do that for you.
But you're a musician.
That's a moot point.
No kidding. What's your name?
Don Lockwood, sir, but the fellas all call me Donald.
Wise guy, huh? Okay, I'll try you. Get this guy in a Bert suit. And remember, Lockwood, you might be trading that fiddle in for a harp. Camera! Okay, Phil, come in. Now you see him. That's it. Now here's where you get it right on the jaw. Cut! That was wonderful.
You got any more little chores you want done in this picture?
Plenty.
Okay.
My roles in these films were urbane, sophisticated, suave. And of course, all through those pictures, Lena was, as always, an inspiration to me. Warm and helpful. A real lady. Hello, Miss Lamont. I'm Don Lockwood, the stuntman. Gee, it was sure a thrill working with you, Miss Lamont.
Hey, Don! Don, I want you to meet the producer of the picture, Mr. R.F. Simpson.
Hello.
How do you do, son? I just saw some of the rushes for the picture and asked Dexter here who the team of stuntmen were. He told me they were all you. I think you've got something, Don. I'm going to put you and Lena together in a picture. Come over to my office after lunch. We'll discuss a contract.
Thanks, Mr. Simpson. Are you doing anything tonight, Miss Lamont? Well, that's funny. I'm busy. Well, Lena and I have had the same wonderful relationship ever since. But most important of all, I continue living up to my motto. Dignity. Always dignity.